The title, we got news on the grass airdrop allocation. So with that said, we jump straight onto the laptop. First thing first, I want to go and check our community token, the meme coin that we made, John Cena. It had a nice spike up over here recently in the couple of hours, and this was probably just because of a $14 buy, as we see here, $14, $20 buys, $20 buys over here. So definitely something really cool. And you see that if we go and put, for example, $50, $60, $100, it is going to skyrocket. We're gonna get in the chart over here, and this is all just a community coin. So I built it, as we see over here, the fully locked liquidity, about fully locked. I don't know why it says 91%, but everything is over here. So make sure to go. I will leave you the link to go and buy it directly from Jupiter down below, and the deck screen, so you're able to see our community token rise in the lifetime. But it's super cool. We got a market cap of $4,000, which is actually really nice to go and see. Following up, you have this important NFT of Zora, Unichain as well. So it is a 3-in-1 Unichain, OP, and Zora. As we see over here, we simply gotta go and buy it from, we simply log into our MetaMask wallet, as we see over here, and we go and collect it ourselves. It is a very cheap possibility. As we see over here, we got confirming signature that it is what it is, and here we have it, for example, over on our wallet. So make sure to go and buy it. I will leave the link down below. You can max mint, you can do whatever you want, any network that you want. Make sure that you go and grab it. I would suggest you Zora, and it is a very important, as we see over here, from the community. Follow and mint, go, good mint. So something that the community, it has 155,000 mint. So make sure that you go and do it. It is a limited time only, and the link will be down below. Following up, we have a little bit of an update in terms of the DBridge airdrop that I want to talk about. We have less than a day to go and claim it and to go and do all of the things. So here we see that somebody following the Solana community really close, that I do follow a lot, juicy.soul. He basically states that he will hold it for the long term. He's not gonna go and sell it. People are a bit up against it. People say a little bit, you know, ish and that. Here and there, you're trying to make sure you got it the 6 months and 2.5 for your job. So let me know your comment down below. What do you think? Are you gonna hold on it, or are you gonna sell it immediately as soon as you receive it? Also, because here, as we see, it is probably the best way to go and claim it on your DBridge Foundation page, which we do have over here. We go over for the DBridge app, this one right here, and we could have gone and claimed it already. By the way, I'm farming a little bit the season 2, as you see over here. But here you can go and check your eligibility and go and put it into some wallet. I have already done mine, and mine will be going to my Solana wallet. The one thing, I did receive this comment from the from the guy in charge of the DBridge Foundation, Alex over here, and it does state that 24 hours left to initiate the DBR claims to the centralized exchange flow for your preferred centralized exchange, which means that after a token generation event, the token will be sent to your exchange. This happens tomorrow. But as we see over here, I asked, so you can claim on-chain from October 17 at 8 a.m. UTC time. So if I send to the exchange, I can have them by the time the token happens, and to what with it. If I send to my Solana wallet, will I be able to do the same? No, on exchange, you won't be able to trade token until token generation event date. From what I saw, centralized exchange enable withdrawals 24 hours after token generation event, which means that the best option to go and do right now is to go and claim and put your wallet address over here on the checker to put your Solana wallet address. Do not send it over to ByBit. Do not send it over to Metera, ByBit, HTX, MEX, all of this. I have sent mine over to Jupiter, so I will receive them over on my Phantom wallet, which then I'm able to go and sell on my Jupiter platform. And it does seem like the best way to go and grab your token and to be able to sell it first thing first whenever you want it. So up to you what you want to do, but in my opinion, this is the best way to go and do it. So let me know your thoughts down below. Let me know what you think, let me know what you have decided to go and do as well in the link down in the comments down below. Following up, we have a bit of a cooking situation that Bungie, which we have been farming it, is simply a bridging, just like DBridge was, or Welto, or any of those. As we see over here, Bungie, all chains, all tokens, balls deep liquidity, you are not ready for what we're cooking. So this snapshot is coming. The airdrop of the token, it is also coming, and it seems a lot of hype. Now we know how hyped also DBridge is doing it or did it. We also know how hyped or well to have done it. Is it either the next flop? I don't think so. I do like Bungie. I do like the way they are working. It is so much underfarmed. Bungie, in my opinion, one of the most underfarmed possibilities out there. And this is why I did go and do some swaps, and I did utilize on a monthly basis to go and do some bridges to continue to have the possibility to be active on the protocol. And we are going to get something really, really cool. So definitely nice to go and see what they are actually cooking or what they will be looking forward to the future, but it does look something really, really cool. Following up, we got the possibility to go and check your wallet, the total credit of the Thruster airdrop, which I do not be part of, but I will leave you the link down below in case you want to go and check your possibility of the allocation. We got, you know, one of those protocols, the credits, you may be eligible to claim the rewards, which I am not. Simply go here, connect the wallet, as we see over here, connect the wallet, decide which one you want to do over on Blast. It is over on the Blast situation, but I'm not going to do it as I do not have the rewards, nor I even participate in it, so I will not give you to check that I am not eligible for this one and keep it a mystery. Following up, we have the update about the Grass airdrop. Now, the final airdrop allocation, so what we see from here, from foundation.grass it was, so let's go and see this one, Grass Foundation eligibility, the final allocation, which we will see over with all of this fixed up, so a little bit more or a little bit less than what we have, as well as the bonus epoch, we will see it over here, as we see over on October 21st, so you got 10 days to stack up your points, which whatever you do from now until 10 days, unless you are consuming the NAS type internet, then it is not a problem to go and join right now. And it is also officially confirmed that the Gigabats NFT holders will receive a Grass airdrop. You can check out the NFT over here, which I will go and show you. We did talk about it a lot. The NFT price surged by 20% after the news, and it is now sitting at 3.3 Solana. When we did talk about it as well, then we did talk about a little bit less, but we talked about around the 2. Here it stands at 3.2. So if we did actually enter when I said so, we would actually be in a very, very nice profit. Shame that I didn't, but you will get, if you have one of these, you will get your allocation. Now, it doesn't say that if you have rank 264 or you have rank 5640, you could potentially receive the same amount of allocation, but I don't see how they're going to go in terms of the longevity of the token itself. But as we see here, we got the final airdrop allocation checker on October 21st in 10 days, and then the Gigabats NFT holders will receive an allocation as we believe. So we are missing on the checker the Gigabats allocation, and we're missing the bonus epoch allocation as well here on the checker. So definitely something to go and check. Following up, we got the Super Champ allocation airdrop rewards have been revealed. We have seen this in the past video over on yesterday's video. I'm not eligible for it, so if you are, make sure to go and check your wallet, connect your wallet over here, verify the message, and you're good to go. I'm not even gonna check because it's gonna say 0, but let me know your total token allocation down below, which as we see over here, we have a little bit of price, we got a little bit of tokens, we got a little bit of everything, so definitely something nice. Here we go, for example, this guy got eligible for 11,500. The price seems to be staying around the 20 to 40 cent mark, which, you know, if you do go 6,000, if you go 10,000, I still think it is good, but the token, the price has not been released as of right now, so definitely something we're already speculating. And then we got the Prime Protocol point snapshot. As we see here, they have taken a snapshot today. In case you were farming this one, as you see, we're not farming anything about it. For the early participant, they got the whole thing, the GLMR tokens and all of them. So in case you have the possibility to go and do it, make sure to go and check it. If you did farm it, make sure to go and check your V1 program point allocation. But with that said, guys, thank you very much for watching today's video. Let me know what you think down in the comments below, and I will see you all in tomorrow's video. Ciao, guys.